Hello friends, today's topic 36 stocks on discount sale. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. Major Indian market indices are down 12 to 14%. Individual stocks are down 20 to 50% from the recent high. It is said that if your portfolio value is down, then it is a good sign since markets have fallen and hence stock prices are lower. Such times provide opportunity for long-term investors to invest in markets as lump sum or SIP, SCP. The good discount sale in stock markets for long-term investors. We have compiled a list of stocks from different indices trading much below their 52 weeks high. This will be useful for research. Stocks much below 52 weeks high in Nifty 50 index. IndusInd Bank 52 weeks high 1576, current price 977, discount minus 38%. Tata Motors 52 weeks high 1179, current price 757 and minus 36%. Hero Motocar 52 weeks high 6246, current price 4110, minus 34%. Bajaj Auto 12,774 is at 52 weeks high, current price 8423 and percentage change minus 34%. Asian Paint 52 weeks high 3395, current price 2291, percentage change minus 33%. Adani Ports 52 weeks high 1621, current price 1107, minus 32%. Trend 8,345 versus 5,750, minus 31%. Tata Steel 185 versus 130, minus 29%. Axis Bank 1,340 versus 954, minus 29%. Coal India 544 versus 388, minus 29%. NTPC 448 versus 324, minus 28%. Now moving on to Nifty Next 50. Stocks much below 52 weeks high in Nifty Next 50 index. Adani Green Energy 52 weeks high 2174, current price 1037, minus 52%. Adani Total Gas 1190 versus 662, minus 44%. Adani Power 896 versus 528, minus 41%. Adani Green Energy 1348 versus 812, minus 40%. BHEL 335 versus 205, minus 38%. IRFC 229 versus 142, minus 38%. Union Bank 173 versus 110, minus 36%. Geo Financial Services 395 versus 258, minus 35%. Avenue Supermart 52 weeks high 5,485, current price 3,603, minus 34%. Macrotech Developers 52 weeks high 1,650, today 1,089, minus 34%. IOC 52 weeks high 197 versus 130, discount sale minus 34%. NHPC 52 weeks high 118 versus 79, minus 33%. Now moving on to the Midcap 100 stocks list with a discount. Mangalore Refinery 52 weeks high 289, current price 138, discount minus 52%. Cochin Shipyard 2979 versus 1468, minus 51%. Vodafone Idea 19.18 versus 9.84, minus 49%. Yes Bank 52 weeks high 32.85 versus current price 18.5, minus 44%. Oil India 768, current price 450, minus 41%. Hindustan Zinc 808 versus 476, minus 41%. Astral 2454 versus 1494, minus 39%. Supreme Industries 52 weeks high 6460, current price 3975, percentage change is minus 38%. Exide Industries 620 versus 383, minus 38%. Kalyan Jewelers 795 versus 496, minus 38%. Suzlon Energy 86 versus 54, minus 36%. Rail Vikas Nigam 647 versus 419, minus 35%. Our suggestions and comments. 1. If you have some lump sum amount, spread the amount in stocks and mutual funds over the next few weeks and months. Don't predict and wait for the lowest level. 2. Continue SIP regularly. If you don't invest at such phases, the purpose of SIP will be defeated. 3. Have patience for markets to recover. You will learn many lessons about markets during such places. 4. Take full responsibility for investing decisions. It is your hard-earned money. You need to be in control. Don't run behind quick profits and lose money. Learn in detail how to invest. Only in bear phases do people realize the importance of knowledge in stock markets. End of the video, here is the question. Since October 2024, from when markets have been weak, have you invested some lump sum money? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.